Hi everyone, please subscribe this Wikitech channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the further notifications.
Hi everyone, this is Tyson from Mikitech. Hey guys, finally I have received the product. This is the Realme C11 which was launched recently in India. The first sale was happened in Flipkart in this month 22nd. I have participated in the first sale and I have just 1 hour back I have received this product. So finally I have done the unboxing of this mobile phone. So the initial impression, first of all, this mobile phone comes with the new generation. I'm a new processor from the Minitech family. It's Helio G35 processor. So it was okay, but it comes with 2 GB RAM. That was not happy with that because when I was opening the apps, I see a little bit of a delay from app to app. Whereas if you're opening the single app, then no issue. While you're shifting the app from, like multi apps. So I have noticed that little bit of delay. And also guys, to be sadly, even though we know that there was issue with the China soldiers, for that our Indian government banned the apps, but still this mobile phone comes with the Hello app. But anyhow, I have uninstalled the app also. That makes me a little bit of upset, but okay, let's get and also I just want to let you know the audio was very good. I was impressed with the audio. So anyhow, you guys also can hear the audio. It's the NCS tracks. That's it guys. The audio was good and the display also was good in this price budget. But keep in mind, I have been using this mobile phone just 1.5 hour only, but it was okay. But first impression, I feel weight in my hand, its weight is around 196 grams, I think so. But anyhow, whatever, maybe it comes with 5,000. But to be sadly, they have provided only 10 watts. And also another disappointing thing is they was giving here 2.0 USB. It's not even type C, but its cost is around 7,500 rupees. So guys, the first impression was okay. If you have very tight budget, then you look at this C11. So well, finally here is the Realme C11 mobile phone. The front side, they are saying that it's #1 quality. While the sides of the mobile phone, there was nothing, just a texture of Realme. Over here, it's like a barcode or something like that. But at the other hand side, we have seen that they added some specifications and they're saying that the cost is around 8,999, which is nothing that 1 rupee less than 9,000 rupees. But I purchased in Flipkart at a cost of 7,499. So at the back hand side, we have seen that Realme C11 and they're saying that it comes with 5,000 mAh massive battery and it's a mini drop full display, and whereas it's comes with 6.5 inches and it comes with Helio G35 processor and 13 megapixel dual camera. So that's it guys. And also they're saying that if the seal was broken over here, then don't accept this mobile phone. So let's quickly open the box. So the first sale was happened in this month 22nd in Flipkart. So I have participated in the first sale and finally I have placed the order successfully. So we can say this is the first mobile phone. So just peel the cover. Now it's time to open the box. So here we go. So that's it. If you open the box, the front side we have seen that the top there was a cardboard box. So let's me open this box. So in this cardboard box there was, it seems like, yes, here is the open. So here is the SIM ejector as expected, and over here we have seen some kind of paperwork. It's kind of some manual instruction guide how to use the mobile in a proper way. So here is the mobile phone itself. So let's take the mobile phone. So it's feels very good. So here is the mobile phone. So let's check out what inside this card box. So guys, here is the USB cable, whereas it comes with a type 2.0. Unfortunately they did not give in the type C port. So here is the power adapter, whereas guys they're saying that it comes with 5 volts into 2 amperes, which is nothing but a 10 watts charger. So unfortunately this mobile phone comes with just supports only 10 watt charger only. So anyhow, let's put all this aside and let's check out the mobile phone. So finally guys, here is the mobile phone in my hand. So I feel very good when I hold this mobile phone in my hand. It was very strong. I mean the build quality looks very awesome and decent. At the back side it was not plain, it's like something texture, so which feels grip for us, so which was nice. And this time the Realme changes the design of this mobile phone, whereas if you look at the Realme C6 or even the Nacho series. This mobile phones looks good, but whereas particularly this particular mobile phone looks something different. At the back side, we have seen that there was the bandwidth stripes over the camera module and the touch it of the Realme. They changed the design. So as I told, it was not the plain surface, it was something matte finish, so which feels so very grippy while we hold the mobile phone in our hand. So anyhow guys, let's check out the physical overview of this device. Whereas the front side comes with 6.5 inches IPS LCD screen, and also guys it comes with HD plus display, whereas it comes with the resolution of 720 into 1560 resolution at 270 ppi. Whereas on the right hand side there was a power button along with the volume rockers. Whereas guys on the right hand side, what we have seen that here is the SIM slot tray. At the bottom of the display we have seen that there was a speaker drills along with micro USB 2.0, and also it comes with primary microphone, and also it comes with 3.5mm audio jack support. Whereas at the top side there was nothing, I mean there was no secondary noise cancellation microphone. Whereas at the back side it comes with quad camera setup, whereas the primary sensor is 13 megapixel for wide and 2 megapixel for depth sensor. Whereas guys the front side comes with 5 megapixel selfie shooter. It looks the display was not full view display, it comes with a mini water drop notch display, and over the camera top there was a speaker. Let me open the SIM tray and let's check out how whether it comes with supports the micro SD card slot or not. Yes guys, it comes with a triple drive expandability, which means we can able to use the SIM 1 and SIM 2 along with the micro SD card slot. So anyhow guys, let me quickly turn on the power. Let's see whether there was a battery. Yes guys, there was a battery. You have seen the Realme texture, and it's at the bottom. I have seen the power by Android. So finally guys, I have just finished the setup, and I have seen that there was not that much of bloatware in this Realme C11, but unfortunately I have seen the app like the Hello app, which was banned in India, but still this app was exists. So we can able to uninstall this Hello app just by tapping like this. Press and hold for a few 2 seconds, and you just click on the uninstall, then you can able to uninstall the app. And also there was apps which was belongs to the Realme. It's like the Realme store was available here, so like that the Realme launcher was also available, and the Realme Pay also was available. And I have seen there was much bloatware. It was very common. Amazon was available, and there's a Facebook app was available. So that's it what I was noticed. And also I want to let you know this, if you're talking about the file manager, there's a Google file manager was available here. So like that the Realme also provided the UniQ file manager, so you guys can use according to your interest. So that's it. I haven't seen there was much bloatware in this mobile phone. Of course, if you want to remove uninstall this Amazon app, just press and hold like this, and you can tap on the uninstall, then you can uninstall that particular app which you do not like. Also you can uninstall this Realme store along with the Realme Pay. Also you can able to uninstall if you wish. Software version and the security, which version was working. So just go to the about. You can see that it was working with Android UI 1.0 version, and it comes with Android 10. You guys can check out it was working with Android 10. So like that, coming back. So and also here they're saying that it's a security patch level. It comes with May 5th, so this is the July 27th. Maybe very soon we can expect they should provide the security patch for this mobile phone, but of course it was working with the May 5th till now. And you are getting here 2GB RAM, and it's octa-core processor. And if you're talking about the storage department, it comes with 32GB internal storage, whereas in the 32GB 19GB only available for us. And also let's check out what are the sensors was available in this mobile phone. So for that I have installed the CPU Jet app. So I have seen that this processor was the new processor, whereas this processor comes with octa-core, whereas the 8 cores was using the ARM Cortex A53, which was not powerful, but even though at a clock speed of it can work about 2.30 gigahertz. So like that, let's check out the sensors what was available in this mobile phone. Gyroscope sensor was available, orientation sensor was available, so like that the compass sensor was also available in this mobile phone. And I want to know whether it can support the HD streaming in Amazon or Netflix. So for that I have installed the DRM info. So in DRM info, I was going to look at the wide one. Oh, unfortunately it comes with the security level L3, so which means guys you can't able to do HD streaming in streaming apps like Amazon or Netflix, like that stuff. And anyhow, the response was very good. The screen UI was very simple. We know that usually the Realme UI, so there was not that much of bloatware except that the banned app, the Hello app you have. So let's quickly look at the camera user interference. I have just turned on the camera, so it's asking me the permissions, so I was going to give the permissions just like this. So I just want to take something subject, just focus the mouse and just tapping here, or just going to click the picture. Wow, that's great. Wow, that's nice. It looks like the shot was very good. The content was also very nice. Let me take some more. I just want to tap here over here on the letters of this card reader. I just want to take the picture. So the pictures was taken very quick. So oh, the images looks very sharp in this mobile phone. But anyhow, what are the options was available in the rear camera? There was night mode was available up to 1x, 2x. Oh, and even the 4x, up to 4x the night mode was available on the video mode. So in video mode also we can able to shoot up to 4x. That's great. In photo mode also, I think, yes guys, in photo mode also 4x, that's great. And like that, the portrait and the option the more, whereas in the more option we have seen the time lapse and Google Lens, that's great, and Expert Pro and panorama slow motion, that's it. So like that, I want to check the front cam. So just by tapping here, I was come here. Hey guys, it's me or TSM from Mekitech. So I want to check some pictures. It was focusing my face very good. You have seen that on the head of mine there was a ceiling light. Okay, I will just change my position. The camera struggles maybe. Oh, it's I was put in the option like the portrait, so that's why it was blurring the background. That's great. Anyhow, I was shifting to normal photo, so I was taking the picture. That's great. One more pic. That's fantastic. So this was the picture which was taken with the front cam, which was not bad. It looks okay because at my back side there was a focusing lights, but even though it can take the best exposure values, but anyhow I will very soon provide my complete review about this camera. And I want to show you something. HDR was also available. And whereas guys, let's check out what's the FPS it can able to shoot with 1080 at the back side. At the rear side it can able to shoot at 720 30 frames, so like that. It can able to show 1080 also 30 frames per second at the rear camera, so like that. Let's check out the front cam. So in front cam settings, I just go to the settings just like this by tapping here. So over here we can able to shoot the full HD at 30 frames per second, so like that. 720 resolution, yes guys, at the 720 resolution also it can able to shoot 30 frames per second, which was not bad. So finally guys, if you're talking about the price, it's around 7,499, which is nothing that won't be less than 7,500 rupees. I think even though it comes with latest processor, MediaTek G35 processor, it was not that much of powerful, but 2GB RAM was disappointed. I wish they should at least give 3GB RAM with 32GB. I mean the RAM, the free RAM is around just 700 MB, that's it only, whereas the 1.5 GB of RAM was reserved by the system. So that's why I have noticed that there was a little bit of lag, delay while we're shifting from app to app. So if they should give 7,000 rupees, then it should be like an okay deal, but I think 500 rupees was excess. But anyhow guys, very soon I was going to provide the complete review in our channel. In the meantime, thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.